Going out there, K County Accountability. Coming at you guys today. I've got a video of at a court hearing yesterday for just a minor traffic infraction, but I'm not going to plead guilty to it because I don't feel I did it. And then the citation, like the officer fucked up the citation and made it to where it is invalid. And so when I had court yesterday, I went in, the first thing I asked for is just a dismissal because of Oklahoma Title 15, which is contracts, in which I'll read you the definition under Oklahoma Title 15 that states what a contract is, which a citation, a ticket, any type of ticket, citation, whatever, anything with that you have to sign, and you're basically doing a contract, and you have to state that you will, that you agree to be at court and stuff. That's a contract. Okay, I'll read you guys the definition under Oklahoma state law. But anyways, I just asked the judge to have it dismissed because of Oklahoma Title 15, subsection 63, mistake of facts defined. Because there's facts on the citation that are wrong, and so it invalidates this citation. He wouldn't listen to me at all. He just immediately, no, what's your plea? What's your plea? I don't want to put it in a plea. I want to have this dismissed so we don't have to go any further. It's ridiculous. But he wanted me to plead guilty. He even states it. Just plead guilty. I'm gonna give you the least amount sentence. Blah blah blah. No, I'm not gonna pay you guys for something I didn't do and for a citation that's wrong. If I have to follow the law, so do you guys. And the law states that this citation is fucking invalid, and so it needs to be dismissed. But no, the judge. Kirkpatrick, no, he was mad because, and that's what they do, guys. They get you on small infractions, small traffic infractions, because they know you don't want to fight it, but I'm going to. I'm fighting it. I'm requesting a jury trial because they stated, and I have the court clerk stating that this is a criminal court, whatnot. So under the Sixth Amendment, any criminal case, you have the right to a jury trial, which are trying to deny me that because they state that because it doesn't hold a sentence of 6 months or more that I don't have the right to a jury trial. No, that's not what the Sixth Amendment states. Sixth Amendment states in any criminal case, you have the right to a jury trial. So John Andrews, the city attorney, is doing his shit again, trying to violate constitutional law, which, I'm going to show. But the judge, he violated he has to take 2 oaths. He has to take an oath to the Oklahoma Constitution, and then he has to take a judicial oath, which is 28 U.S. Code subsection 453, oaths of justices and judges, which you guys, I fucked up in the video, because I got flustered and I just really couldn't believe that the judge, was acting the way he was. So I got messed up and I requested that he state his oath. And I misstated, said that he's required under this code. No, this code doesn't require him to. It just has their oath and states that they have to, to be a judge, they have to state this oath, they have to sign it, da-da-da-da-da. So, but they are obligated to follow these oaths, And so if they violate them, it is a violation of, let's see, what is it called? Code of Judicial Conduct. Okay, that's what they fall under. Although judges should be independent, they must comply with the law and should comply with this code. Adherence to this responsibility helps to maintain public confidence in the impartiality of the judiciary. Conversely, violation of this code diminishes public confidence in the judiciary and injures our system of government under law. That's their statement from the Code of Judicial Conduct that's what happens when a judge dishonors his oath. The oath of the Oklahoma Constitution, which is in Article 15 of the Oklahoma Constitution, I do solemnly swear or affirm that I will support, obey, and defend the Constitution of the U.S. and the Constitution of the State of Oklahoma, and that I will not knowingly receive, directly or indirectly, any money or other valuable thing for the performance or non-performance of any act or duty pertaining to my office, other than the compensation allowed by law. I further swear or affirm that I will faithfully discharge my duties as blank to the best of my ability. Okay, city attorneys, chiefs of police, city treasurers do not have to take this oath, just so you guys know. And then the justice and judge oath. I do solemnly swear or affirm that I will administer justice without respect to persons and do equal right to the poor and to the rich, and that I will faithfully and impartially discharge and perform all the duties incumbent upon me as blank under the Constitution and the laws of the U.S. Okay? This judge, I mean, he violated Rule 11, which is pleas under federal law, which because I was refusing to put a plea in. I didn't need to put a plea; you just need to be dismissed. He threatened to arrest me if I didn't put a plea in, which is a violation of Rule 11, pleas. Court must, if a defendant refuses or isn't present, the court is automatically required to put in a not guilty plea. Okay, that's exactly what Rule 11 states. That you cannot be coerced, especially into like a guilty plea or no contest plea. He threatened to arrest me if I didn't make a plea, which is a violation of Rule 11. I mean, the judge just violates his oath of office and everything multiple times. But guys, Oklahoma State Title 15 contracts. Okay, Section 1, contract defined. A contract is an agreement to do or not to do a certain thing, which a citation, because you're agreeing to go to court, is a contract. Okay, let's go to the mistakes. Okay, subsection 62, kinds of mistakes. Mistakes may be either fact or of law. Subsection 63, mistake of fact defined. A mistake of fact is a mistake not caused by the neglect of a legal duty on the part of the person making the mistake and consisting in an unconscious ignorance or forgetfulness of a fact, past or present, material to the contract. Belief in the present existence of a thing material to the contract which does not exist, or in the past existence of such a thing which has not existed. Okay, that states, mistake of facts, which on this, I refuse to sign the ticket because I'm not signing a contract with the city. Well, when I refused to sign, the trainee officer marked the box for signed personal recognizance. I didn't sign. She should have marked other and then refused. So that invalidates it because that is a mistake of fact. Okay, that completely nullifies this contract, which a judge would not listen to reasoning. So, guys, and I did fuck up and misquote the oath of office thing, which there's steps you got to go through to get that, which I didn't. I just got kind of flustered. I didn't expect it to go the way it did. I expected it just to be dismissed. But he just couldn't believe I was not going to plead guilty to such a minor traffic infraction. No, I'm not going to give you guys money for no reason. No. And that's what they do, is they stop people for these minor traffic infractions because they know they're not going to fight them. And then they get free money. No, they're road pirates. That's what this is, road piracy. So guys, enjoy the video. To all my haters, I don't give a fuck. Okay? Have a good day, guys. Yes, sir.
You're here today, sir, on a ticket for committee U-turn where it wasn't off right. How you gonna plead on that?
I would like to file for dismissal, sir. Under Oklahoma State Title 15, subsection 15-16, mistake of fact defined.
You'll have to plead not guilty.
No, sir. I'd like to file for dismissal.
I said I can't do that now.
I don't have to plead for dismissal, sir.
What? Denied. What? Now, how you gonna plead?
Okay, sir. Well, then I would like to request on record that you state your oath. Under 28 U.S. Code, subsection 453, oaths of justices and judges. You are required to state that when, upon requested,
I'm sitting here
on the record, sir.
I'm sitting here in this chair.
And so you're not going to follow the law, mistakes of fact defined, where...
Are you going to plead to this or not?
I would like to file for a dismissal, sir.
You're not listening. I just denied that.
I'm not making a plea, sir, when I'm filing for dismissal.
I'm not going to hear it. I denied it.
Well, you can't deny law, sir. Oklahoma state law states that this citation is invalid because the officer made a mistake twice on here.
I'm going to tell you.
Under Oklahoma State Title 15, subsection 15-63.
I'm going to tell you.
And I would like to request you be brought under ethics, under an ethical.
You can do that, just write the city. If you don't make a plea, I've never done this before, somebody won't listen to me like you, I'm gonna send you to jail until you want to plead. It's a simple charge, Mr. Jackson. It's an improper U-turn.
It's not an improper U-turn, sir. I didn't make a U-turn.
That's what you're charged with, that's what I, then plead not guilty. Plead not guilty then. Or, if you want to plead guilty, I'll tell you, I'm not gonna do hardly anything to you. It's
I plead not guilty then, sir, since you're under law requiring me
I'll
to
see you on your
get
trial
a
date. Thank you, officer. Escort him out, please.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, before you go, just, she'll give you a trial date here.
Okay. Thank you, sir. This will be going on YouTube.
Do what?
This is going to be going on YouTube.
I don't know anything about you two. Put it anywhere you want.
They'll have to give you, I don't have our schedule in here, but they'll give you a new date at the end of our.
What's that deal back there? Is that a camera?
Yes, sir.
Get it out of here for you, okay?
Actually, sir, I called and you actually put in that it is lawful for me to record. I actually checked with the court clerk and everything before I did this.
He says that we can.
I didn't give you permission. It's on-
Well, I have it recorded where your court clerk did, sir.
That isn't me.
Well, she said you have it in that we can record. So, sorry. Why haven't you got your sergeant stripes yet, bro?
Is that wrong?
Oh, yep. Oh. Well, good luck, brother.